Ahoy and welcome to Lazy Gadgets. Today another Nerf mod. This is a combination. It's a Nerf Vigilon and a Rampage, which looked like this ages ago. And I just combined them to this piece of awesomeness right here, assault rifle style with a side mag. I love it. And now, let's see how I made it. This is where we are at right now. First, combining strut down here, install, and now I will go back to the grip section, to the stock section. Here, install a battery compartment right here, no, somewhere around here. Go down here, and I want to add some round stock to connect the two sections. Next step is making another priming noopsie for the main gun. done. And now, together with me, you and I, we install the last, oh that's, by the way, it's the battery. At least I hope so. It goes right there. And it's done. So cool. Totally forgot to mention, I installed a few lights. That's why there's a wire running down here. Right there, right here. And also up here in the barrel. But I guess that's more for the darker hours. And now, let's test it. I don't even know how many fit in there. There, yeah, now it's one less. So first, let's test the Vigilon. Okay. The green ones are old. I bought them on eBay, so they don't really, not really the nicest anymore. Another 3. Yeah. That counts. And now the Ramlon parts. Some people ask me, does it get in the way with a priming? And as you can see, just right under. So no. And that's it for today, guys. Out of darts. And this is my Ramlon. Hope you liked it. I think I put it on Etsy right now. Gonna make more. And next week I'm gonna show you a laser gun, which is already shipped. So I can't, I'll just insert a picture right here. And after that, more Nerf and laser guns, probably my Raven Nerf, which is also sold. So stay tuned and thanks for watching.